毎度あり。
Start off by grabbing one box of Gracie's Pizza Party. Open it up to find a wonderful looking packet. Now this is very important. You want to take scissors and make sure that you're cutting along all these edges. Take everything out to make sure you've got everything. And also because we're going to get chopping this up. So make sure you neatly cut everybody up. And we're going to start off by making our potato hash browns. So grab the correct packet and then start adding in your water. Using this tiny little scoop, give everybody a nice good mixy mix until combined. And then flatten out into the mold and then pop it in the microwave. And then once it's all nice and done, you can flop it out onto the counter and then just cut along the lines until you've got 4 little pieces of potato. And just set those aside for a little bit later. Let's get started on that pizza. So starting with the dough, pour in the pizza dough and 4 lots of water. And then once you've got all of that in there, you can give everybody a good old mixity mix. And then you're going to get a nice little ball of dough right at the end. Separate this little ball into 2 pieces and then roll both out into little round balls. Now once you've rolled these out into these spherical spheres that they should be, we're going to pop these little Play-Doh balls off to the side and we're going to start cutting out our pizza and topping shapers. Just cutting along that dotted line and you'll be fine. Grab the blue one and flatten out your dough all the way to the edges. Risky. Once he's nice and flat, place on a microwave safe dish and let's do the other one. Now once he's all nice and done, pop him as well on that same plate. Toppings away, lads. So we're going to start making our cheese first. Drain out that cheese packet and then just mixity mix in 1 lot of water. And it should look like a little crumbly little ball. Now once he's all done, you can pop him off to the side on this very specific little piece of paper for the cheese. And then we're going to start in on our bacon. So grab your packet, 1 lot of water as well for this one. Mixity mix. Now once that little ball of bacon is all combined, you can pop him on to its own very specific shaper. Again, flatten him out into the nice circle that you've got there and then cut along the dotted lines. And then you should have a bunch of lovely little bacon bits. And again, pop them off to the side and we're going to make our sauce this time. Pour in 2 lots of water into the sauce mix. Mixity mix. Do your best to spill it everywhere. And then spread it out evenly over your 2 little pizza pies. Then once he's all nicely laid out and covered, we're going to pop on our cheese. So just take off little bits at a time and then place them on top there. Next, grab your bacon bits and then neatly place them in between your pieces of cheese. Now once they are beautifully decorated, you can pop them into the microwave. And after a quick 50 seconds, you'll notice that you have some melty cheesy pizzas. Now of course, because this is Japanese pizza, it would not be complete without peas and corn on top for whatever reason. Place it on top of your little cutout sheet along with your little side dish of potatoes. Make sure you put it on the place that says potato, potato, potato. And then lastly, we need a drink. So after sticking on the label of your melon soda, you can fill this one up all the way to the top. Give it a quick mix to make sure it's all dissolved. Place it on your little sheet. And now the world's tiniest pizza party can begin.
やるじゃないか。
Look at that cheese, it's actually melted. The soft drink is bubbling and the potatoes look super real.
いただきます。
I actually can't believe that all of this came out of a tiny little box. These little kits are found in the snack aisle, next to all the chocolates and all that sort of stuff. And I was expecting it to taste like candy, but all of it tastes real. It's so strange. Now, if you're not super into pizza, but you do want to have a go, there's all sorts of these little kits floating around Japan, like sushi and hamburgers. So if you want to see more videos like this or actual recipes, then definitely subscribe, like, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!